Hey guys, welcome back to Kelly's Little Ones Nursery. So, this is going to be a little bit late, but this is for Theme Thursday, which was forest animals for this past week. And I wanted to do it just because I do have a fox sleeper and one particular baby boy that has the fox theme. And I will show you him. He is right over here. You look like an old man. This is my son Larry. He is I've had he and his brothers in videos. This, for those of you that don't know, he is from Paradise Galleries, and he is the baby Luke. These glasses did not come with him. In fact, I bought these glasses Cindy and I both found these glasses at Build-A-Bear Workshop. If you have a Build-A-Bear Workshop wherever you live, we have one in our mall. His glasses are dusty. You can't see out of them, can you? Nope. And so this is his Paradise Gallery name is Baby Luke. I know, Julia, you've seen him and you like our baby Lukes. I have 4 baby Lukes, and my friend Cindy from Cindy Nay 100, she has 8 of these guys. So his name is Larry, and he is wearing the fox sleeper. He's got a fox right here, and he's got foxes on the feet, and it's camouflaged, and it is a newborn sleeper. Baby, so this guy is this guy is actually 20 inches. And to go with this video, he also has his animals to go with it. Here, I'll face you towards him. There we go. You also have your things to go with it, don't you? He has his fox stuffed animal. Isn't this cute? You may have seen this guy in Cindy's Theme Thursday video. And see, look at it, matches. See that? I don't know if you can tell or not, but it kind of matches. It matches perfect. And then he's also got this guy, this little lovey. His head rattles. And then we did drop one. Got this guy. So this is Larry. I wanted him to participate in this week's Theme Thursday. Even though it's late, it is a few days late. It is Saturday, but I'm sure that you guys don't care. Hey, it goes up when it goes up. I'll just put Thursday's date on it, which it was the was the 9th. That's right. Okay. I just watched Cindy's video too, and she had the date on it. So there is Larry coming to you for this week's Theme Thursday, and he wanted to show you his fox well, it's not his fox sleeper, it's all the boys. All the boys, he and his brothers Levi and Leo and Lenny and Lincoln all can wear, as far as sleepers are concerned, they all wear newborn sleepers, and all the boys wear 0 to 3 month clothing. So this is a newborn sleeper. So even though because Lincoln is actually 20 inches like the baby Luke's are, like him and his 3 brothers. So Lincoln, any sleepers I buy for any of the other boys, and even my 2 little skippers I have, which they're not here right now. They're still with their Auntie Cindy because we haven't been going bowling since November, I think, because of the weather, because it's too cold for our friend who is actually in a wheelchair. So that's why, and I haven't been able to go over there because my mom's boyfriend, he hasn't wanted to drive over there just in case. I mean, she said her street was plowed recently, but the last time he went over there, he almost got stuck leaving because they weren't plowed yet. So I haven't gone over there, so I can't get my boys back yet. I do miss them very much. Andrew and Blake are my little skippers. They're 21 inches, but they also fit newborn sleepers. So, yeah, I play him and his 3 brothers, Levi and Leo and Lenny. They're the baby Lukes. They're 20 inches. The 2 little skippers, Andrew and Blake, I play them. They're 21 inches. And also Lincoln back there, my reborn baby boy I won from Weeby Dolls, or Wendy, I should just call her Wendy, from Wendy's giveaway. He's 20 inches like the Luke, so I'm repeating myself. So all the boys can wear newborn sleepers and 0 to 3 month size clothing. So yay. So this is Larry saying hi to his aunties and uncles for coming to you for, even though it's a little late, Theme Thursday. And we all want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and go ahead and share this video. And if you subscribe, you'll see Cindy Nay 100 on the side of my home screen. Go give her a subscribe. She's trying to get to 100 subscribers before my birthday, which is on the 26th of this month. She's almost there, so please help her reach her goal to 100 by my birthday. Our goal is to get her to 100 subbies by my birthday, which is February 26th. So, as always, thank you for watching, and God bless, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Say bye, everybody. Bye.